If you've ever had to remove a stud, you've probably had to try the double nut method to get that out of there. There's a problem with that. Sometimes it can actually stretch the stud or damage those threads. So there is a better way. And today I'm going to be showing you the Tusk Stud Removal and Installation Kit. Comes with adapters to remove and install your studs safely. You have more threads with these removers and they're going to attach on there securely. This can really help you out with those stubborn studs. Now for the installers, what these come with is it's just a threaded piece all the way through, and then you have a ball in the top and a set screw, and that distributes the load better throughout the stud. So that way you can get it fully seated and properly torqued. Now with that being said, this kit comes with the most common sizes for your side-by-sides, ATVs, and your dirt bikes. And that way, whether you're doing a cylinder head stud, an exhaust stud, or anything else on your machine, you're going to be able to get the job done. And you know, again, having the right tool for the job is going to save you a lot of headaches. So if you need to pick one of these up, you can find these on our website or just click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you want help during your rebuild process, you can find how-to videos on our channel. And while you're there, make sure you subscribe. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.